Alright, I'm recording. We about to go to the truck. There's somebody in our truck. We finna get them in our truck. They in our truck. She sleep in our truck.
Wait, what? Keep going. Mira, what are you doing in my truck?
Chilling.
You're chilling? This is not the chill out spot.
I'm chilling, bro.
Oh.
You asleep? You was taking a nap?
Yeah.
You was up all night? Yeah.
You can't chill in here, mama. You gotta go somewhere else to chill. No.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Goodbye.
Okay.
Well, at least I sleep a little bit.
You slept good?
Yep.
Oh.
Thank
All
you.
right. Have a good night.
All right. Can I get a cigarette?
Sure.